Alright, y'all, this is how we're looking. Got the furnace set in the drain pan with the feet, got the coil. But recording on the work phone because I just fucking dropped my phone and broke this shit up. I'm pissed. Horrible. Damn it. Alright. Alright, y'all, so this is how we're looking. Not the best transition, but this pole's definitely in the way. Did what I could. Once I wrap it, it'll look a lot cleaner. Let me wrap it real quick. Alright, y'all, so supply plenum is built. Gotta fight with this thing to get it in this tight spot. We're gonna get it up in there though. Let's go. Alright, so fought with it. Got this plenum up in there. Do this gap, but that was tough. Look, we got it. I just need to transition this to this, and then we'll get done. All right, here go that transition. Boy, and that was something else. So, go ahead, get it taped, mastic from right here, where I can reach it. Tape mastic right here, and then do the bottom part. Let's go. Big ass trunk line. Yeah, crazy. Let's go. It's looking clean though. Let's go. All right, just gotta put this bottom piece on. Transition is done. It's all masticed up. This was fun. Not really. All right, y'all. Transition is done. So we're wrapping on this guy. Nice. Looks nice and clean. Return nice and clean. All right, so what I need to do now is I took this piece off for the gas. Put it right there on the floor. This is 3/4. So I need to get this off right here at this union. Change this shut off. It's old school style. Nobody got time for that. So I got the drain done. Drain is done. Condo pump is in. Gas is done. Grounded. Hub is on here. I just need to. I need a hand with this. I can't get this inside this. I need to pull more wire. As you see, I got a little piece of wire sticking out. Need a little more wire than that. The wire nutted it. Gotta bring this up to code. Put a box with a combo switch. Yeah, with a combo switch. And that's it. 90%er. Got these two guys running these pipes. Yeah, this came out clean. Transition nice and clean. Alright, got the high voltage wired up. Breaking the transformer. Let's go. YouTube, we done. Finito, it's a wrap. Let me show you how this guy turned out. Look at this. Boy, nice and clean. 90%er. Y'all already know what I had to do with that transition. Something vicious. Added the 5-inch media filter. Transition to this guy. Wow, look at that. Night and day. New line set. Drain pan, condo pump. Put a combo switch on there. Grounded everything, brought everything up to code. We're good. Nice. Alright, y'all already know what to do. Show your boys some love, like the video, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. 1.